Ever woken up to a sudden breakout and wondered, what did I eat? I know I have, and it was a stark reminder to consider the impact of my diet on my skin. So I embarked on a journey to uncover the foods that could help nourish my skin from the inside out. Today, I'm sharing the top 7 foods that have made a significant difference to my skin health. First on the list is dark chocolate. Surprised? Dark chocolate is a treasure trove of antioxidants that protect your skin from free radical damage, a leading cause of premature aging and skin problems. Opt for dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, but remember, moderation is the name of the game. And here's a tip. Go for chocolate sweetened with coconut blossom sugar, as it's absorbed slower, preventing the sugar spikes that can lead to inflammation and collagen breakdown. Next up, bell peppers. Be it green, red, or yellow, bell peppers are a vitamin C powerhouse, crucial for collagen production, the protein that keeps our skin firm and youthful. Adding bell peppers to your meals can expedite your skin's natural repair process, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Third, we have sweet potatoes. These are an excellent source of beta-carotene, a natural sunblock that protects your skin from harmful UV rays. Once consumed, beta-carotene converts into vitamin A, fostering skin cell turnover and imparting a healthy glow to your skin. Sunflower seeds are next on our list. Small but mighty, these seeds are packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that shields your skin from sun damage and inflammation. Enjoy sunflower seeds as a snack or sprinkle them over salads for a nutritious crunch. Walnuts also make the cut. These nuts are a rich source of essential fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6, which are vital for maintaining the skin's natural barrier, keeping it hydrated and plump. Regular walnut consumption can improve your skin's texture and reduce dryness. Green tea is another skin champion. It's loaded with powerful antioxidants called polyphenols that reduce inflammation and protect the skin from damage caused by environmental pollutants. Regularly sipping green tea can significantly enhance your skin's health and appearance. Finally, we have tomatoes. Packed with lycopene, an antioxidant that protects the skin from sun damage, tomatoes can be consumed in various ways, making them a versatile addition to your skin-friendly diet. By incorporating these 7 foods into your diet, you can make a significant impact on your skin health, leading to clearer, more radiant skin. But remember, a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and leading a healthy lifestyle are key to maintaining beautiful skin. If you found this video helpful, show some love with a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time.